Righties folks, CJ Otta, sort in Northern Ireland here. We're at the Ulster Kit Car Club here and CARRICKFERGUS here. We'll get round there in cars in a minute. Something different for the channel folks. Lovely CARRICKFERGUS Castle there. Folks, we're going to be walking around the cars here, man. Oh, that's really yoke here, look. Okay, boy. How there, lad? Alright, man. Man. That's for all the car lovers here, folks. As I say, something different for the channel. Gonna be looking inside here to see what sort of cockpit we have in there. Beautiful, mate, pristine, immaculate. We kit car now. If this is a real McCoy, you're probably talking £1 million here, folks. These are. Look at that wee yoke there, man. Where that is. Yeah, folks, something different for the channel here. Just something different here. Just came across this here today. Here I was just passing through. There's a wee Lotus, man. Yeah, man. How you doing, lad? What a happy chap there, lad. Loving it. What sort of motor's that, lad? Huh? What sort of motor's that?
An F27.
F27, what year's that?
82.
82, mate. Nearly as old as me. Ha ha ha. Get a wee look at this man's car here, look. 82, mate. Yeah, man. Look at that there, man. Thank you. Get a wee look at this one, look, man. The boy there's ready to rock and roll there, so he is. Oh, that's not, boys, that's not. There we go. Yeah, folks, all the wee car lovers. Nice, man. Got a wee look at this one, mate, so well. Beautiful. Oh, folks, nice, man, nice. What is? Let's see, wee Robin Hood, Sports Classic, boy. Sports Classic, mate. Oh man, cheap price there, this man's advertising in this here, so he is. Have you got a phone number for it, lad?
What?
Get a wee phone number there and I'll advertise it for you.
0785 7211847.
No bother, what's your name?
Colin Ray.
Colin Ray, no bother here, folks. If you're looking to buy this wee yoke, give me a shout. And what year is it, Colin?
06 Robin Hood 2 litre C-Tech.
06, boy, 2 litre C-Tech, man. I'll get a wee look around this for this man, I'll advertise it for him. Yeah, man, that's what I'm all about. All about the people here. Look, something different today for the channel. I'll try and keep the wheel out. So I'll put the side there, folks. Yeah, nice. Just have a wee look inside your cockpit, man. Just a wee look inside the cockpit. There you go, folks. There's the cockpit there. Thank you very much, Rob. Thank you, lad. Yeah, man, that wee car's for sale, so it is. You just give your number, his number out there. MK, wee Ford. Gonna be up inside the cockpit again, folks. A wee backward shot. A wee Ferrari. I think that's a wee Ferrari kit car there, folks. Well, who came with what a came with head unit, isn't it? The wee wheels on it, right? Yeah, folks, something different for the channel here today. So as we're just passing through here, so we are. Get a look at some nice cars, nice wee plate on it, GTO. There's a wee Westfield there, look, wee kit car there. So it is. With a lovely lady sitting in it. Do you come with this car?
I come with the man who drives the car.
Oh, look at you, nice car, nice car. Keep smiling, love. Yeah, folks, look what that says on the back there, look. The shitbox edition there.
It's because it is.
You doing or not, eh? Is it for sale?
No.
No, just I'm advertising here on thing. It is for sale, you know, mate. What year is that yoke?
That is, I only registered that a year ago, 2 years ago, year and a half.
Do you rebuild it? Is it kit one or do you
It was a
rebuild?
kit. I had the kit for years sitting there, but I finally built it there.
Brilliant, lad.
Getting it for MOT was a game.
Nightmare. Many a bloody knuckle, I suppose.
Aye, well, it was more to do with like the emissions and all.
Do you want to go on camera?
No.
No.
The emissions for MOT, like, because it's a motorbike engine, so the emissions had to be the same as a car.
Right.
So you're trying to do that.
Nightmare. What's for engines in it?
It's a Hayabusa. Well, it's a 1.3 motorbike. So
Oh, not bad, man, not bad. Well, sure, what is it, all plastic anyway, so it'll pull really anyway, will it?
it's alright, eh?
No bother, man, no bother. Thanks for your time, lad.
worries, mate.
Nice motor, and a pretty looking lady to go with it.
That's it.
Alright, all the best, man.
Chicks love the car,
Cheers, man, thanks very much, enjoy your day. He's got to, hopefully it'll start, he says. Yeah, it should start alright, I have confidence in him. I have confidence that you will start. Let me see if he gets it started here. So it should start. Oh, I first turn to you, boy. Listen to the note of that, like, listen to the note of that, folks. Are you going to give it a wee rev for me, lad? Give it a wee rev. Listen to that, folks.
The back pipe, listen. The young boy don't go around to the back pipe and listen, you know.
Ah,
you hear them blowing up, blah, 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 blah.
The camera this picks up good sound, so it does, you know.
Oh, God.
You know. There's a down one there, lads, whatever that is. Strabane District. All the way up here to CARRICKFERGUS. Yeah, folks, something different. I'll bring everything to the channel, so I will. I'll bring everything to the channel. Look at him going there. Yeah, look at the wee cockpit now, folks. Mervyn. Yeah, folks, we'll try and get around all these wee motors here, so we will. See a wee Porsche, look. I see a wee Porsche with a lawnmower engine in the back. Well, that came out of a Honda lawnmower, did it?
Purists and turned into the grave.
They're all alright. Oh, there's my initial CJ. Well, I think that car's made for me, but it might pull the wee arms out of my sockets. Oh, sorry, lad. Sorry, man. Sorry, mate. Don't be sneaking up on me like that, lad. Just did the man's foot there behind me, folks. That's nice, man. That is nice. That's what it is, folks. Is this your motor, mate? No, you're wishing. Course, like, as I say, there's a registration on the CJ. We'll see what's in that. Oh, we just walked past the car there, it's that small, I've never even seen it. Yeah, folks, as I say, I'll bring everything to the channel here for you. So if I come across it, I'll stop and record stuff, you know. Hard's TT, and she's a Field Motor Company in London. These spotlights and all over. Let's see what the cockpit's like in this. It's just plain and simple, this one. Yeah. This will probably do 0 to 60 in 3 days. yeah, folks. We're probably going to get these other ones on here with these lovely people in CARRICKFERGUS today.
It's hard getting in. You make one mistake in there, right?
Cobra. Big exhaust system up the front. Nice wee registration. Get the cap on her, boys. Get the cap on her. Beautiful. 427 Cobra Ford. Yeah, I'm gonna be picture of this yoke from the back end. Let's go, folks. I'll try this here one. I don't even know what this says. Someone's telling me it's I'm not even going to guess, but someone's telling me it's a Porsche. Could be wrong, but we'll have a look in a minute. Cruise control, classic kit runner up. Wee metal in the back there. She's actually a Suzuki, folks. Suzuki, I've never seen a Suzuki like that before. So just dancing that, folks, that's mean. That is mean, man. Oh, before after, like, so we've got the before and after. So this is what he's converted it from. Well, you can see that, folks, with the glare in the window. There's the build of it. Before, rebuilds through it. I hope you can see that on the camera, folks. And the finished product. Yeah, after, folks, yeah. A lot of work's went into that car. So it has a lot of work's went into that. Yeah, folks, we're nearly finished here, so we're nearly finished as the rain comes on. So I think we've timed this lovely here with the rain coming on, folks. I want something to finish on. Oh, I just see one car there that I haven't picked out. I've just seen one car that I haven't picked out. Wee registration there, wee busy cat. Lovely colour that there, that lovely colour. So yeah, folks, the old classic here, boy. Haha. The wee Austin Cooper, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. What a classic. What an actual classic car, man. Icon. Beautiful. Hide my face out that window. Gonna be back end shot at it. So I'm all there. Yeah, folks, so just came across this today, something different, as I say again, I keep repeating myself, but yeah, something different. So it is, tea, coffees there, trophies there for probably best car and stuff. You know, so yeah, let me see what there is. I just don't want to get that lady in shot there. So yeah, folks, from CARRICKFERGUS here, we'll probably just finish off with this Lotus. Oh, hold on, I want to get this guy driving away here on the car. I can't even catch him. He's away the other way. Hold on a minute, I'm going to get him here. I'll chuck you across. I'll see if we can get him. Don't know if you can see him there, folks, or not. Oh, he's heading for the tide, is he? Hope his brakes work, or he will be in the tide. Let's see where he went. I'll go down here and see if we can get him driving it. Alright, lad. How you doing? All good? Oh, he's getting on the trailer. So, folks, yeah, we'll probably end up here from CARRICKFERGUS. Beautiful part of the world, folks. And we'll probably do a wee outro on this man. The man's just took a steering wheel off for that. He's forgot to put the handbrake on. Alright, lad. What sort of wee yoke's that, mate?
It's a cycle cart.
A what?
A cycle cart.
A cycle cart, mate. What sort of wee engines in that?
It's a lawnmower engine, basically.
Lawnmower, wee Honda lawnmower?
Do you need a pushing this? You
No,
on?
no,
No.
fine.
No.
Sure, it's light as can be, sort of.
So he has to take a steering wheel off there, folks, to get in there. So he does.
It's light as can be, sort of.
You know, no bother.
You're standing for a wee bit, aren't you?
So yeah, folks, I'll do a wee outro here, folks. Yeah, so from CJ Audis here at the lovely CARRICKFERGUS Castle. And this man's beautiful wee motor. All the best, take it easy. And as always, may the force be with yous.